Okay, let's jump right in. Picking the right Claude model for content marketing work is something we all face. We want strong writing, but we also want to keep costs down. Well, today, we actually have some clear answers on how to make that choice.
AI practitioner Lisa Payton ran a hands-on test to figure this out. She put the exact same long-form writing brief through 3 different models to see which one listens best. The test looked at Claude Fable 5, Opus 4.8, and Sonnet 4.6.
The findings point straight to Fable when it comes to following directions. It was the only model that followed a nuanced instruction in the brief. And it was the only one that held every hard rule on the very first run. The other models missed a few things along the way. But Fable did exactly what was asked right out of the gate.
Now, getting that level of detail comes at a price. Fable costs $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output tokens. Compare that to Opus 4.8 at $5.25. Then you have Sonnet 4.6, which sits at $3 and $15. So Fable costs about double the alternative.
You can look at this choice like grabbing a standard drip coffee versus a premium espresso. Sonnet is your quick, reliable drip coffee. It gets the job done at a lower cost. Fable is the premium espresso. It costs more upfront, but the output hits the mark.
$10 and $50 might sound a bit high at first glance, but applying this to a real-world piece of writing changes the math pretty quickly. A 2,000-word piece still costs well under 50 cents on Fable.
And remember, that cost is strictly per run. Coming in under 50 cents per run, it keeps the premium choice highly practical for the actual task at hand.
The decision rule from Lisa Payton's test is straightforward. For long, instruction-heavy work, Fable. For short, scaffolded tasks, Sonnet wins on cost.
Knowing exactly which tool to pull from the toolbox saves both time and money. Lisa's full test, including the exact brief and step-by-step methodology, is linked in the description.